Hi, this is John. Hope you're all having a good day. I'm going to talk about using color tone runs or arpeggio runs, using color tones to spice up your piano solos, or you could even use these on piano accompaniment. But first, let me show you using these by themselves. For example, if you have a G chord here, you can add the second note of the G scale, which would be A. See, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. So if you have a C chord, you can add the second note of a C scale, which would be D. So to do these runs, for example, if we use a G scale and run it, you might run it like this. You have the root, the fifth, the root again, and they come over and play the A, which is the second note of a G scale, and play the B like that. Or you could just stop it on the B and add little different things in there. You could just play just the notes, or you can just take these three notes and make up some kind of melody. Or you can add the fifth over here. So let me demonstrate that using a song here. I'm going to use this song called I Love to Tell the Story. It's an old gospel hymn. It's a public domain, written back in 1866. So it'll go like this. Right there, see? Now what I did is I start the melody note at the same time I start the run. Let me continue now. Now here I took the melody note and played it first. So you don't have to start the melody at the same time you start the run. Let me continue now. Now here what I'm doing is playing a pattern, and here's the melody note, but I bring in that color tone on the chord. Instead of playing a D chord like this, I add the color tone to it. So here's the melody A. So at the end, I just kind of ran that color tone chord up the keyboard. So here's your melody note. Here's the color tone. Okay, so add that to your music and practice the color tone run with all your chords. For example, a C chord would be like that. F chord, D chord, practice all your major chords doing that. And it also works on minor chords. For example, if you have an A minor chord, it's like this. It has a harsher sound, kind of a darker sound. Where in the major chord, it has a brighter sound. In the major chord, G major, it has a brighter sound. But if I take an A minor chord, it has kind of a darker sound. That's a darker sound. It has a darker sound. Okay, this is John signing off, and I'll be coming up with another video here in a couple of days. Bye-bye for now.